Hey guys, so we're here at Mini Mayhem and we're running Forbes around, and the problem is where I attached the brake pedal to is moving.
How are the brakes?
They got 2 stops, then no brakes.
So it actually pushed down and then it would like cam over, but if I lift it up then it's back where it needs to be, so I got to reinforce this.
What's going on? Will you stop this thing? Come on! Try the parking brake, eh? Hang on, the parking brake never works.
Luckily I brought a welder.
And they were cute.
So let me fire up the old Vantage 300 that came with this truck. How do they hold the door open? Oh, I got a thingamajigger. I got a latch attacher. Oh, there we go. Of course, I just kind of threw the leads in, so they're not very good, but good enough for what we're doing. Boy, I'm about due for a new wheel on that grinder. Alright. Give her the old thumb on the mark spot. So my buddy Juan flew in to hang out with me at Mini Mayhem. That was pretty awesome. Say hi, Juan! And he's being my cameraman here. And he's pretty good at sticking his finger over the lens, so that's awesome. But it was really fun hanging out with him. Alright. How about that? It's like it's meant to be. Use a little 332 7018 and we'll weld her up. Whew, that's hot. And that's why they call it stick welding. Since I got a rod stuck to it, I'll use it to hold it in place. Struggling here, buddy. I got a new ground to put on. I was just being too lazy to do it. You know if that was Lincoln rod. So I decided not to be lazy and actually swap out the clamp. I bought a new clamp the other day because I realized this one was garbage. the connector was all hot and bothered, and it was just no longer much good. The stuff that holds it together was no longer holding it together. So now let's see if we can actually make a weld. Well, that didn't really solve our problem. I mean, it braced the one side, but I need to brace the other side because it kind of just twisted that flat bar now. So I need to put another little strap coming out the other way too. Welding these flat bars solved our problems. The brakes worked really good after this. We were just pushing that flat bar down that it was mounted onto. But now it worked really good. The Amazon suspension kit that I got for this little go-kart came with handlebar grips like for a four-wheeler. So I put these Amazon reservoirs on here with this separate little plastic reservoirs. And they work pretty good, but they didn't have enough volume to do it off of one. So I ended up having to double it up and have two of these master cylinders to activate the brakes. And then once I got this reinforced, we had good brakes the rest of the time. It worked super good. But it's kind of important to have brakes, you know, so you can stop and control the vehicle, not hit stuff you don't want to. It's pretty awesome. But yeah, this solved it really well. Oh yeah. Brakes work. All right, I got your seat all wet, so now you're good to go. Well, this has been a wonderful year at Mini Mayhem 2026. It's our first time here. I'll be back. It was really fun hanging out with my buddy Juan here. We got third place.
Oh, I'm so happy! I'm so happy! This is the best day of my life!
How about that? That's not bad for our first time for the four-wheel drive go-kart. Remember, me and Jesus love you. Talk to you later.